Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the rectangle. The rectangle is another highly popular and important shape in our world. Students need to be given many opportunities to engage with the rectangle and to see how it appears in so many places in real life. A rectangle is a four-sided flat shape. It has two long sides and two shorter sides. There are four angles and they are all equal. Students can be asked to trace the shape of the rectangle and the word rectangle. Students can be asked to share their experiences of the rectangle in real life. They can be asked to name examples of rectangular shapes and to say where they have seen these shapes. They can be invited to decorate the rectangles with colours of their choosing to make them very attractive, and if they look carefully they'll look at those two rectangles there. They will remember that these ones here are squares, so the raised rectangles there are the ones decorated. Ask the students to draw pictures with rectangles in them, so they're just three examples: an envelope, a door and a mat. Provide students with examples similar to these, so they know what is expected of them. A simple exercise, they can be asked to name some items that contain rectangles in the classroom, their home, the playground, the shopping centre and so on. And as always, we try and give them examples where rectangles appear in real life. The cereal boxes and many other packaging boxes that we have, their faces are rectangles of varying sizes. We have the little tabletop here, that could be a coffee table for example. Windows, excuse me, many windows are rectangular in shape, and also the bricks, and a lot of the students would have their houses built from bricks. They are also rectangular. So this little video has introduced students to the rectangle, and we've seen some examples in real life.